kyk hoe lyk hy crispy. I must be supple. I'm already dik. You must choose your battles. You must choose your battles. You can't be dik and crispy lipton. Moisturize. Hello. How are you guys doing? I'm sick today. But I really want to make a video. I've got this urge to make a longer video. So you'll see I'm sick because I didn't bath today. Because you can see the stains on my t-shirt. When I'm sick, I don't do anything. I'm gross. This is what really happens behind the scenes. It's really just what you see. Hello, Natalie. Tell them what's happening in the house.
Tell the people that it isn't only today that you didn't wash.
Hey, one day is enough for them, okay? I'm sick, they can was I'm sick. See here the coffee stain? I don't like to pretend. Pretending to people and then becoming popular because you pretended is a prison. These people must know there's toast crumbs in our Rama. Don't act like you don't have those things. I haven't done a everyday carry video in a while. Remember those?
Yeah. Something to do.
I haven't done one in like 2 years. I'm gonna show them what I'm carrying around in my pockets every day. Natalie always complains about all the stuff I buy.
You don't have enough pockets, that's the problem.
So I got like a ton of stuff I carry. I'm a bit of an everyday carry guy. Like, if you guys don't know what the community is about, it's about Owens that carry around things.
It's a community.
Yes!
Jesus.
It's a huge community of people carrying things that is useful to them in emergencies or is useful in day-to-day life. That's what it is. And they can help other people. Everyday carry. Anyway, I'll show you what I carry with me every day. Hello! So this is an everyday carry video. I haven't done one of these in ages. And I don't want to make it too long like the last ones. Then I don't want you to lose interest. So I'm going to keep this tight. Sorry for my voice. I got the flu. It's not COVID. It's the flu. I did the test. Look after yourselves out there. Okay, lekker. So I'm a big everyday carry guy. I love everyday carry videos. Everyday carry is people that carry things with them to aid themselves and other people on a daily basis. That's basically what it is. So they review different pens, knives, headphones, all those kinds of things. So I thought, okay, I'm going to just show you a small portion of my everyday carry because I carry quite a lot of stuff. I've got a backpack, so I'm always on the road. So I'm going to just keep it tight. I've already obviously spoken about my phone and cameras I use. Although there's new upgrades, maybe I'll speak about that later if you guys are interested in these videos. So I'm going to keep it tight and tidy today. If you guys like these videos, click like and then tell me or ask me what I use for this, that and the next thing. Quite lekker. Right. So there's my phone ringing. It's my mommy. So, yeah, first things first, obviously my phone. But to charge my phone is a whole thing of its own. Ask Natalie, my phone dies all the time. Not because the phone is bad, because I use the phone a lot. Ek vat mos video en ek post mos en ek is on. My life is online and I'm in emails and everything's happening on video. So, I use my phone a lot. And that's why this is my first item. I carry with me this brick every day. This one's broken. Can you hear? It's fallen a couple of times. This is a 20,000 mAh or milliamp, I think that's the acronym. It charges my phone 3 times. And there's a big battery on this phone. It charges my phone 3 times. That way, I'm never out of juice because my phone is my business tool. I don't play games with my phone. I'm there to make money with my phone. It's a business tool. I don't buy the latest and greatest phones every year, but I upgrade like every 2nd or 3rd year because that's how it is necessary for me. But I always tell people, your phone should be something that you use to make an income. If you're using it just to play games, then you're up the wrong tree, my friend. But anyway, so this is the brick I carry with me. They're bigger now. I think they go up to 26,000 mAh. But this one's been really good to me. I bought this thing at the waterfront for 500 rand. It's the best money I spent at the waterfront for 500 rand. Wat kry jy by die waterfront met soveel value gee vir 500 rand? 'n pakkie chips and a cool drink, gone, 500 rand in sy glory. And anyway, so that's my first thing. My second thing is ballistics. I use ballistics. I use ballistics. And the reason, by the way, none of these guys are paying me. This is not a paid thing. It's just something I'm doing for fun. I use ballistics because Natalie doesn't like Zambak. Natalie, do you like Zambak?
No.
Natalie doesn't like me to use Zambuck. Even the cherry flavor,
No.
she still don't smack it. She don't like cherry flavor, she don't like that menthol flavor, and that thing works for me. But what else is there in the world? Blistex. Blistex is the only other thing that works. But die ding is duur. This is expensive. It's like over $100. It works really well. Maar kyk, as jy hom verloor, then your heart is very sore. So that is why I use Blistex. I never leave home without it because papa wil nie harde lippe hê nie. Ooh, kyk hoe lyk hy crispy. I must be supple. I'm already thick. You must choose your battles. You must choose your battles. You can't be thick and crispy lipped. Moisturize. So that's why I use this. Never leave home without it. The second thing I always carry around with me is third thing is a pen. I use a steel Parker pen. This thing I bought. I don't know if you can see that. I hope it's focusing. This I bought for like R100 on sale. I've always worn a pen, a steel pen. It's just a thing my mother taught me. She always said you must have a nice pen. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it needs to say that you take yourself seriously. I sign serious documents. I plan to write serious notes. So I've got a nice pen. And now more so than ever, because now when they come and I pay for the bill there by the restaurants, I can use my own pen. Dan kan jy jou disease plastic pen maar hou ek saai nie, dan waai jy, I take my pen and put it in my pocket. So I always go, I recommend it for girls and boys that I just started to work as a celebration or as a gift. It's a nice graduation gift. A nice, some of us don't graduate, some of us just get a first job. It's a nice gift to give someone because it says you are now a professional, you can have a nice quality pen. Anyway, $100, carry this thing. I also have this thing. This is an O-Light. Open too. I bought this really a toy. It's got a light in it, so it's very handy. But I will be honest with you, this is a bit of an impulse purchase. This has a light on it, so I thought it's very handy for when I'm, need a light with load shedding. And I like to carry a pen with me, so I thought I'd take the light and the pen because I carry a torch with me. Maybe I'll share that torch story in another video with me. Then this is a 2-in-1. But I use this mostly when I'm traveling, so that I don't have to take my pen with me. I take this pen and I don't have to take the torch with me. But yeah, I personally don't get a lot of use out of this. Only when I travel, and now I haven't been traveling a lot. But it's a nice product. I just think that it's a little expensive as well. But anyway, so that's the other thing. Then, not lastly, then I also carry a notebook. Talking about pens, Natalie and them bought me this Freedom of Movement notebook. Very cool company, you guys might know it. It's in the malls. South African boys, I actually spoke to one of them one day. They're not paying me for this. Natalie got like a message printed or pressed into the leather for me for last Father's Day. So I've been nursing him a little bit. I don't write any crazy things in it, but I carry this around with me because I write jokes, because it makes me memorize the joke better, and I'm more creative when I'm with a pen and I'm sitting in a coffee shop or in a hotel or wherever I am, on a flight or in a car or in a back, whatever. So this is a nice one because it's leather and it's bound. It's very cool. So I carry this around with me all the time. But I must be honest with you, for the last year I've been writing in another book and saving this one. But now this year I've decided now I must write in it. Must use it. Then I also use, then I also have at all times, I buy them in bulk. I buy Fisherman's Friend. Jy moet 'n peppermint. In the old days I used to gooi humbucks of a bullseye when I was younger. Nothing wrong with having fresh breath, people. You're not always close to a toothbrush. Hygiene is key. It's key, like the DJ Khaled always says. DJ Khalid, KH, not Khalid. Anyway, so what I do is I never leave home without it. I've got a little blicky I put them in, but these packets are everywhere, ask Natalie. Sometimes you have coffee in the morning, I have a meeting afterwards. Nou take coffee breath. Verstaan jy? Skiet 'n peppermint, man. Keep the people interested. Don't let them sit far away from you. Now with COVID, distance is key, but imagine how your wife or my wife also just here in the house. Skiet hom aan. Keep the girl interested. She must go, what's so minty fresh? Papa rapturous. Lip balm, peppermint. Natalie's lucky. I told you. I stay focused. You must choose your battles. I'm not gespier, but I can at least, I also have fragrances. I'm all over fragrance. But if you want to see those things, you must just comment in the bottom. And then last but not least, one of my essentials is my headphone sets. Now, my headphones, these are Sony 1000 MX3s. Now, or XM3s. Now, there's a new one out, it's the MX4, and it's obviously an upgrade from this, but this is best noise cancelling in class. Sony has the best noise cancelling in class. Go and check the reviews. Better than Bose, even though some of the brands are Bang & Olufsen are more expensive. These are considered the best noise cancelling headphone sets. The reason I bought these headphone sets is because, one, I don't buy cheap because I think buying cheap is more expensive. I buy the thing I want and I keep it for longer and I save up for it. I work on the road all the time. I'm in a plane, child is screaming here next to me. Now I can't just give the auntie the stink. I'm a father, I must be understanding. I put the headphones on, I put the noise cancelling on, it checks the environment, it sets the thing for the pressure on your ears, and they're comfortable because they're over the ear. Don't ever get the ones that just sit on your ear. I put again at the ear dran, you oor is here. I bought Natalie a pair because she doesn't use a lot, but I realized when I used hers, it's quite uncomfortable. No, Natalie?
Yep.
So they sound great, but they can be uncomfortable. These over the ear ones are fantastic. These are obviously a lot. These are expensive. I won't lie. These are like I bought these because even in my house, sometimes Ethan's screaming and Natalie's on her phone and I can't concentrate. So I put these on and just put the noise cancelling on. There's not even music on. I can niks worry. They're fantastic. Now, my father tried these and he loved them and he said, yeah, I also want to get myself a pair. Then he saw the price and he said, no, I'm a pensioner, I can't spend that much money. I understand. I completely get that. So he went and bought himself the top-end Skull Candy ones. And let me tell you, I tried them on. They are fantastic. They're really, really good. They're really good headphone sets. They work really well. They look cool as well. And if I were faced with the same choice when I had these, even though these are great, right? For the money, those are great. Really good. If you don't want to go check those out. Great noise cancelling. I sit in restaurants with these headphone sets. And I can't demand where I sit my. Sometimes I just to get in the mood, I sit my Jimmy Nevis on. Verstaan jy? Lekker, in the mood. I'm typing, I'm making emails, I feel like I'm changing the world. You know what I mean? Sometimes I do a little bit of a Mathis here. Johnny Mathis. Skiet nak papas in the game. Sometimes in my so just because I travel a lot and when I work and I need silence sometimes, I got myself a nice pair. But like I said, go and check out, there are some nice options that are more affordable. But those are my core, a couple of my essentials. I have more. I will share more with you if you guys like this video. I'm not gonna do that. I'll talk about which watches I wear and water bottles and knives. I'm big into knives. I carry a knife with me every day. I carry little speakers with me and things that just make my life more comfortable because I'm on the road a lot. But yeah, if you like this video, let me know, then I'll do more. Lekker cheese!